Hello everybody. Today we're going to read kind of a fun story called Who Will Guide My Sleigh Tonight? And then we're going to do a little number practice. The job was too big for me. I needed help. I had the sleigh, but just one helper wouldn't do. I was looking for a team. I tried tigers. They played too rough. They almost ate me. I tried mice, and they couldn't even lift the straps. The penguins flapped and flapped. Whoops, they flipped and flopped. The dolphins were really smart, but splash! They took me for a swim. I love the giraffes. Oh no, they got stuck. I gave the skunks a try. It was a smelly idea. Hop, kangaroos, hop, hop, hop. The hop presents hop went hop everywhere. The turtles were too slow. The cheetahs were too fast. Snakes, snakes. I don't like snakes. I tried rhinoceroses. Bam! Crash! They smashed through a house. Don't even think about it, said Mrs. Claus. Bunnies are for Easter. I tried monkeys. Stop it! Don't look at my underwear. Then I had a bright idea. Reindeer. That's it. They can do it all. What a nice, smooth ride. Yahoo! Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Next year, maybe I'll try butterflies. I don't know if butterflies could pull a sleigh. Do you think so? I don't know. All right, today we're going to do a little number practice, putting some numbers in order, and then you can color. We're going to put the numbers in order together. All right, so you can get this paper out. Get your name on the top. We're going to put our numbers in counting order. It says draw a line from each number from 1 to 12. So we're going to connect these ornaments. So let's start at 1. We're going to go all the way to 12. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, when you get those ornaments all connected, you may color your tree, and you can even add some extra ornaments and decorations if you would like.